Alright guys, time for round 3. I may have died the last round, and he died the first round. Let's see who wins this round.
Going against all laws of physics.
Physics. Here. I'm going first this one. And to keep it all random, we're gonna shuffle it every turn.
Oh, that's nice.
What are you doing?
Spinning quick. Or spinning ball. Just shoot yourself! Okay, this is getting bullcrap. No more shuffling.
No. God, you're dead. No, Brian's
Okay.
dead.
Shut up. Alright. Moment of truth. His foot twitched. Yeah, he did. And from our random 3 rounds of Russian roulette with a Nerf gun, I win, and someone call 911. Well, what?
I'm dead here. You're looking at my face.
Brought back to life by a dog.
Say your goodbyes.
Bye-bye.